Superpharm on sale, and my name is Miss Overdue. So I bought a whole product line. Hey friends, it's your girl V and we are back with another wash day. It's been 2 weeks actually since I washed my hair, and I've been doing the Hairlicious Castor Oil Challenge, so it's about time for a wash. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Carol's Daughter Sacred Tiare line. I really don't know how to pronounce that word, but in the line there's a sulfate-free shampoo, a fortifying conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, and a restoring hair mask. It's geared towards anti-breakage and anti-frizz for damaged, fragile, and frizzy and unruly hair, and claims to restore strength, prevent damage, and soothe away frizz. So we'll see how this goes. Like I said in the beginning, Superpharm on sale, and you guys know how expensive Carol's Daughter products are, and I got all of these things for half off, so my bill was like $205 TT dollars in total. So my hair is likely detangled. Let's get into the shower to see how this is gonna go. So of course, first up is shampoo. This has a really light and creamy texture, so that was really nice. And the scent of the entire line is very clean. It kind of almost smells too clean, but whatever. So given the amount of oil that I would have put in my hair over the past 2 weeks, as well as the fact that I worked out for 5 days, for 5 days in the 2 weeks, I felt like my hair would have been pretty dirty. So for the shampoo to suds up so much, you guys can see it foamed up a lot. For that first shampoo, it was kind of surprising given that there's no sulfates in the shampoo. On the list of no's, there's also no petrolatum, no mineral oil, and no artificial colors. So I mean, so far so good. So then of course I went in with my second wash, and it was at this point where I was getting a little bit, how do I like this? Do I like this or not? You guys would see it foamed up even more. Some actually got into my eye, and that was nice. But yeah, it foamed up a lot, like a lot. So I was kind of, I don't know, impressed. That was just something that I noted. But again, at this point, I was really trying to figure out how this was making my hair feel. Like I was a bit on the fence. On the length of my relaxed hair, it didn't feel too bad, but up closer to the top, it kind of felt a little bit stripped. It felt more on the strippy side. I can't lie, it did feel a bit more on the strippy side. So not too sure like this, not too sure how I felt about that. It's fine. It goes down here, feels fine. I don't know, like weird. I don't know if I really like it. You like bad, like strip. Then moving on to the Fortifying Conditioner. This also had quite a light consistency. It really wasn't that heavy. And on first impressions, I think I really did like this. I doused my hair in this, especially after that shampoo, and it made my hair feel really nice. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I don't usually use conditioners like these in my wash day process. I usually just jump to deep conditioner after I shampoo, but for the sale I bought everything, so I have to try everything, but I did really like this. It's kind of like a leave-in, honestly. I think it soaked into my hair really nicely. It did have really nice slip, and I really should have taken advantage of that to detangle my hair in the shower, but I chose not to because, I was going to detangle it with the deep conditioner anyway. And you guys will see what I mean by that. The conditioner has no petroleum, no mineral oil, and no artificial colors. and even on washing it out, again, it didn't feel like, you know, some conditioners, you put it in, it feels good, and then you wash it out, it's like, where did the conditioner go? It was fine. Like, I left it in my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes, if so much. Didn't even cover it with a cap, and on washing it out, it still left my hair feeling nice. So this is nice. I like this one. I'm still not gonna buy it because it will go back to normal price, but it's nice. Do you see my head top? You can tell that is a Tangle Nation. Anyway, so we're going into the third product, which is the Restoring Hair Mask. The texture of this feels like a jelly custard kind of. The only other conditioner that I have that feels like this is the TGIN Miracle Moisture Mask. I think that's what it's called. So I just put that all throughout my hair. The way I put my deep conditioner in, I like to focus, of course, on my new growth and make sure that is hit with the product. This is not one of the most slippy conditioners that I have used. Like, I didn't feel that I could just go in and try to detangle my hair after just applying the product. I knew that I would definitely have to detangle in the shower, especially with the amount of tangles that I was having, which I feel was contributed in part by the shampoo. But that's just my personal opinion, you know. So I put the deep conditioner on throughout my entire head, covered with a plastic cap, and then used my thermal care hothead over it. And I actually left this in for about 2 hours, one of which was an exercise hour, a workout hour. So this really had time to soak in. However, when I went into the shower, I detangled again in the shower this time. I think it was a pleasant detangling experience, especially given, as you guys saw, the amount of tangles I had in my hair. And again, I think it did definitely leave my hair feeling nice. I don't think I have any complaints regarding the hair mask at this point in time. And when I washed it out of my hair, it didn't leave my hair feeling like nothing, you know. It did leave my hair feeling moisturized enough. I just want to say it's criminal that these brands make product that they know are definitely catered towards the natural hair market, knowing the kind of product usage that these people put in their hair. Tell me why. This thing is like halfway done already. So glad I paid half the price. So the last product from the line that I had to try out was the leave-in conditioner, and this is where all the hard work of the conditioner and restoring hair mask went to toots. Sorry to put it that way, but I'm being so honest right now. I've heard things before about the Carol's Daughter leave-in, and it's not so desired effects on relaxed hair. And while I definitely experienced it firsthand while washing my hair, if you look at my face, you would see that I did not like this. It literally felt like a protein overload that nobody asked for. As I sprayed the leave-in in and just let it work into my hair just transformed into something that was just feeling like hay, like wet hay. And I don't know, like it just got back so tangly. It just did not feel nice at all. It didn't feel nice. So I honestly had to put in some of my favorite BioLarge Matrix Hydro Source leave-in tonic to do something to my hair, because I did not like this leave-in at all. Yeah, so I went on with the rest of my wash day routine. I actually filmed a tryout, like experimental video, so you guys could keep a look for that. That video also didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. Amongst other things like shea and moringa in the shampoo Shea Provitamin B5 in the conditioner, Calendula Provitamin B5 in the leave-in conditioner, and Shea and Babasu in the hair mask. The line's main ingredient is something called copra coconut oil, which upon doing my research is a protein ingredient. And so that's probably why my hair was a bit iffy on this line, because my hair definitely loves moisture over protein. I mean, I know that there is a balance that you have to maintain, but if I do too much with the protein, you can definitely feel it in my hair. The two products that I will continue for sure using are the Fortifying Conditioner and the Restoring Hair Mask. The downside of the hair mask is that I've already used like half of it at this point, so there really isn't much that I'll be able to use in the future. But those two products definitely did feel like conditioners in my hair, and even after washing it out. Otherwise, the sulfate free shampoo is like a 50-50 in my books, where I could use it. Won't be the shampoo that I reach for the most often, but I can use it. And the leave-in conditioner, I really don't know what I'm gonna do with that in the future. Like, I don't know, I might use that very sparingly. So that is it. Those are my thoughts on the Carol's Daughter Sacred Tiare line. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, learned something. I saw on the Carol's Daughter website that the Restoring Hair Mask has been discontinued, so I'm not too sure if that's why the entire line is half off. Maybe they're slowly but surely getting rid of it. I'm not too sure. Thanks for tuning in, and hope you guys stay ready and stay on my channel for all upcoming videos. See you guys in the next one. Bye.